Happy Easter! I'm Amy, and today I'm making carrot cake cookies with cream cheese frosting. These soft cake-like cookies are so delicious. They're full of carrots, pineapple, nuts, and spices, and they're topped with a sweet cream cheese frosting. They're great for Easter or anytime. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And take a cookie sheet and line it with parchment paper, and then set it aside. In a mixing bowl, add a half a cup of butter softened, a half a cup of brown sugar, and a half a cup of granulated sugar. Now beat this together until it's smooth and creamy. Then add 2 eggs, one at a time, and beat together until combined. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 8.25 ounce can of crushed pineapple drained, 1 1/4 cups of grated carrots, and a half a cup of raisins. Stir this together until it's well combined, and then set it aside. In another bowl, add 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and here I have 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, a half a teaspoon of allspice, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. Now stir this together until it's well combined. Now pour this into your wet ingredients and stir it together. Then add a half a cup of chopped pecans and fold them in. Using a cookie scoop that holds about 1 tablespoon, drop the dough onto your prepared cookie sheet about 2 inches apart. Now bake these in the oven for about 15 minutes or until the bottom and the edges are golden brown. Then remove from oven and let the cookies cool on the cookie sheet for about 2 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. To make the cream cheese frosting, in a mixing bowl, add a half a cup of butter at room temperature. Now beat this until it's creamy. Then add 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese at room temperature. Now beat this together until it's smooth. Then add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix this together. Finally, add 3 cups of powdered sugar. Add half of it and mix it together. And then add the rest of it and mix together until it's smooth. Once your cookies are completely cool, spread or pipe on your cream cheese frosting and then decorate with sprinkles. And here they are, carrot cake cookies with cream cheese frosting. And I got about 45 cookies out of this recipe. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on social media at amylynnskitchen. And they're topped with a creamy cream cheese frosting. Oh! And today I'm making carrot cook. Bunny's gonna cook. Oh! Whoops! Then add 2 eggs, one at a time. Oh my gosh! Because I'm stirring it in. Oh. In another bowl, I don't know. Then add 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese at room temperature. Oh no! Oh. Bunny! Where's the bunny? Bunny down! Bunny down! Can you see the bunny over this? How about that? One eye. One eye, dude. Come on, buddy. Don't touch the bunny. Okay. To make the cream cheese frosting. And here they are. Carrot cake cookies with cream cheese frosting. That's good. Happy Easter.